Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. First, focus on understanding Python's core syntax and basic data structures like lists and dictionaries. Next, set up your development environment, choosing a good integrated development environment, or IDE, and installing the Python interpreter. Start by writing small, manageable scripts to apply what you're learning immediately. This hands-on approach is crucial for building a strong foundation. Once you have the basics down, dive into control flow, mastering loops and conditional statements to manage program logic. Next, learn to define and use functions to make your code modular and reusable. Then, explore object-oriented programming, understanding classes and objects to build more complex and organized applications. Consistent practice with these concepts will solidify your understanding and problem-solving skills. Now, let's move to more advanced topics like data structures and algorithms, which are essential for efficient code. Practice file input and output operations to handle external data. Crucially, start building real-world projects. This is where your learning truly comes alive. Consider exploring popular libraries for areas like web development or data science, expanding your skill set significantly. To continue your growth, actively engage with the vibrant Python community. It's a fantastic resource for learning and networking. Make it a habit to read official documentation and explore new features as Python evolves. Finally, consider contributing to open-source projects. This not only enhances your skills but also provides valuable experience and helps you understand collaborative development workflows. Keep coding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.